Hello, everybody. Darren Cross here. Welcome to week 6 of Business 128 Principles of Supervision. And in this week, we're actually talking about Chapter 6. Chapter 6 is all about the functions of supervisor. This closely relates to the functions of management. And so we're going to see how those kind of things relate. So you'll learn in the world of management and supervision as you go forward. If there's one thing that you come away with, it should be, what are the functions of management? And every time you learn a class, you should say, okay, what's the framework? The framework of management and supervision is the POLC framework. Planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. So we're going to talk about some of those things here. So this week, we're going to talk about the types of planning that might take place in organizations. We take for granted that people just plan, but if we're thoughtful about the way that we're planning, we increase the likelihood that we get the kind of results that we're actually after. So we're going to dig into that. We're going to identify the characteristics of effective objectives. Then we're going to learn how to manage by objective. The point of objectives is to point us in the right direction, and then we have to manage to that. We have, as a supervisor, you have to actually be focused on those objectives so that you can actually get that stuff done. We're going to discuss the supervisor's role in the planning process. We're going to explain the purpose of using controls. Sounds like a negative word, but controls are very helpful if you're trying to ensure that you are getting the results that you intended to get. If you're trying to ensure that you actually can achieve those objectives. We're going to talk about the types of control and tools for controlling. We're going to identify steps in the control process. And then we're going to list the characteristics of effective controls. Now, this sounds like, tyranny, but it really isn't. It's just we have control mechanisms in our life all the time. Our speed limit, our speedometer, that's a control mechanism that lets us know how fast we're going. If we don't want to go over a certain speed, or if we want to slow down to a certain speed, or if we want to speed up to a certain speed, that's the thing that lets us know, right? So we're just going to talk about those things as they relate to the world of supervision, and I think that this is the part where when we dig in, we really start to realize what's going on. This is the first meaty part, really, of how to do management and how to do supervision. So I think that you all should be in good shape. But as always, if you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out to me. Good luck, everybody.